Good morning, children. So now we are going to discuss our chapter 2 electricity assignment solution. First question is this only. A hot plate of electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately, in series or in parallel. What are the current in three cases? So we are supposed to find the current in each case. So we can consider a hot plate which is having two coils, like this way, two resistance coils. I will take this way. So this is of 24 ohm and 24, like this way you can consider. And initially they are connected separately only. So you can observe that if they are connected separately, so we have to calculate what is the current drawn from this circuit. So resistance is given, that is of 24 ohm. Voltage is given, that is 220 volt. You can observe that. So we can calculate the current. I is equal to V by R. That means 220 divided by 24. So you can calculate this and you will get the value of a current. So you will get the answer as 9.1 ampere. So this way we are giving the value of current as 9.1 ampere. Now the second part is they are connected in series. Now these two plates are connected in series. Like this way they are connected in series. So in this case, what is the current is drawn from this circuit. So like this way, two plates of this hot plate, that means resistance coils are connected in series. So this is of 24 ohm and this is also 24 ohm. So this is the way the two resistance coils are connected in series in the case of this hot plate. So in this case, we can calculate the total resistance. What is the total resistance in this case? They are in series, so R1 plus R2. So you can see that R is equal to 24 plus 24, that means 48 ohm is coming. So this is the total resistance. So now we can calculate the I is equal to V by R. That means 220 divided by 48. You can see that. What is the answer is coming? 220 divided by 48. So you can observe that. So 4.5 ampere is coming in this case. So you can take this as a 4.5 ampere when two plates are connected in series. Now the third case is asking, you can see that two plates are connected in parallel. So what is the current? So in this way these two plates are connected in parallel. These two 24 ohm coils are connected in parallel. So what is the current drawn by this hot plate? So we know in this case the resistance is calculated as 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That means you can observe that 1 by R is equal to what is coming 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. So 1 by R is equal to take the LCM 24. That means 2 by 24. R is equal to what is coming 24 by 2. That means 12 ohm is the effective resistance of this combination. So now we can calculate the current. I is equal to V by R. So it is coming 220 divided by 12. You can say that. So you can find this answer. So we'll get the answer as 18.3 ampere. So this you will get the answer as 18.3 ampere. So this is the way we can calculate the current which is taken by these three situations in the case of a hot plate. Now we will consider the question number 2. Now I will consider question number 2. Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuit. A 6 volt battery is in series with 1 ohm and a 2 ohm resistor, and second case a 4 volt battery in parallel with the 12 ohm and a 2 ohm resistor. So first case you can see that we have to compare the power used by this 2 ohm resistor. First case is given, a 6 volt battery is connected in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm. So like this way, two resistors 1 ohm and 2 ohm which are connected in series with this circuit. Like this way it is connected to a battery of 6 volt. In this way it is connected to a 6 volt. We have to calculate what is the power consumed by this 2 ohm resistor. That is only asking, compare the power used. So first we have to calculate what is the power consumed by this 2 ohm resistor when they are connected in series. We can see that in this case, when they are connected in series, what is the effective resistance of this combination? R is equal to R1 plus R2. That means R is equal to 1 plus 2, that means 3 ohm we can say. This is effective resistance, 3 ohm. So if you know the effective resistance, so we can calculate the current I. I is equal to V by R. That means 6 divided by 3. So we can say that 2 ampere current is passing through the circuit. So 2 ampere current is passing through the circuit. And this is in series combination. So current passing in the circuit is remains the same. So current passing through 1 ohm or a 2 ohm, that is of 2 ampere. So if you know the current, so we can calculate the power. E is equal to what is coming? I squared R. So that means 2 square into R. That means 2 ohm. So answer is 4 into 2. That means 8 watt power is consumed by this resistor in the first case when they are connected in series. Now the second case, a 4 volt battery in parallel with a 12 ohm and a 2 ohm. So like this, there is a 12 ohm resistor and a 2 ohm resistor. They are connected in parallel to a voltage source. Like this, 4 volt is connected to a 12 volt and 12 ohm and 2 ohm. So that is the second case. A 4 volt battery in parallel with a 12 ohm and a 2 ohm resistor in this way. So we have to calculate the power consumed by this 2 ohm resistor. You can observe that this combination is a parallel combination, and we know parallel combination voltage drop across each resistor remains as the same. So in this case, the voltage drop across this 2 ohm resistor is the same as 4 volt. So we can calculate the power easily by using P is equal to V squared by R. So we can use this formula. P is equal to V square by R. That means 4 square divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2, that means 8 watt power is consumed. So in both the cases, the 2 ohm resistor is consuming 8 watt power. So if you are taking P1 is to P2, so answer is 1 is to 1 will come. Okay? Yes. Now, we will solve our question number 3. Now we will discuss our question number 3. You can see that 2 lamps, one is rated 100 watt at a 220 volt and the other is a 60 watt at a 220 volt, are connected in parallel to an electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? So you can observe that 2 lamps, one is rated 100 watt 220 volt like this way. So this is of 100 watt and another is of 60 watt, which is connected to a, you can see that parallel to this 220 volt main supply. In this way they are connected to a 220 volt main supply. One current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt. So the supply voltage is 220 volt. We can observe that what current is drawn from this circuit. Yes, what is the current? So in that case, first we have to calculate what is the total resistance consumed by this. Power is given in both the cases. P1 is there and P2 is there. They are connected to a 220 volt source. So we have to calculate what is the total current consumed by these two bulbs. For that, we have to calculate what is the total resistance of this combination of these bulbs. Yes. So we can calculate that resistance R1 first. How will you calculate R1? So we can use our formula P is equal to what is coming V square divided by R. So R1 is equal to what is coming V square divided by P. So by using this we will get 220 square divided by power is considered as 100. So you will get the answer. R1 is equal to, you can find the value of R1. Yes. That means 484 ohm is coming. In this case, 484 ohm will come. R1. Now we can calculate the value of R2 also. We can observe that by using this formula P is equal to V square divided by R. So R2 also we can calculate. R2 is equal to what is coming? 220 square divided by, you can see that 60. So you can observe that in this case, what is the value of R2? So you can observe that 806 ohm is coming R2. So this way you can observe that R1 and R2 is 484 ohm and 806 ohm. And these are connected in parallel. So we have to find the effective resistance of this combination. R is equal to, we know, if two resistors are connected in parallel, effective resistance R is given as, we know, R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this way you can do easily. So R is equal to, R1 R2 means what is coming? 484 into 806 divided by 484 into plus 806. So if you are doing this calculation, you will get the answer. Yes, you can do this calculation, you will get the answer. Your answer is coming, you can observe that in this case 302 ohm is coming in this case. So if you are doing this, we will get the answer as 302. So we are supposed to calculate the current only. So I is equal, you can observe that I is equal to V by R. That means I is equal to 220 is our voltage source. 220 divided by 302. So if you are doing this, you will get the answer. Answer is 0.72 ampere. 0.72 ampere. So this is the current consumed by these two bulbs which are connected in parallel.